Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing a waterproof bicycle speaker. In the box, you'll find a speaker, a charging cable, and an instruction manual. You can pause the video if you want to read this. This speaker is designed to attach to the handlebar of your bike. I don't have a bike, but here's a good example of how the mount works. The speaker's ports have a rubber cover. This is probably what makes it waterproof. The rubber cover was actually really hard to open. The speaker has a micro USB port for charging, an audio jack, and a micro SD card reader. I'm going to connect the speaker using Bluetooth. Now it's time for a sound test. The speaker can also be controlled by the buttons found on the side. Hopefully you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching.